What's up, guys? What is going on here, folks? One Bitcoin ETF. That is the $1,000,000 question, literally $1 million, because Bitcoin will probably go to $1 million if a Bitcoin spot ETF gets approval. Of course, that's going to take a lot of time for it to actually go to $1 million. Do I think it's just going to shoot up like a cannon and go to $1 million? Probably not, unless something like drastically crazy happened, like hyperinflation for the US dollar and all that crap. Then maybe. But in the long term, yes, I think Bitcoin will eventually hit $1 million. And yes, I do think we will see a Bitcoin spot ETF here in the future. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And that's going to be what we're going to be talking about today, folks. When? When are we going to see the spot Bitcoin ETF that we've been all anticipating and waiting for? This is actually a reason why Bitcoin price has been steadily going up for the last decade, is because the idea that a spot ETF approval would bring a mass adoption for Bitcoin, meaning people will be able to invest their 401ks and all that great stuff into Bitcoin if this was to get approved. So, welcome, guys. Thank you guys all for joining this live stream. And yeah, share it out, like and subscribe if you have not done so already. Let me actually check the chat here. What's up? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys all for being here. Yes, we are live on YouTube and Twitch. Check it out. We got 8 likes already, 9 likes now on YouTube. We got 100 folks here on Twitch. Welcome. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you all being here on this lovely Monday. We got the price of Bitcoin. What are we at now? Bitcoin's at $29,595. We're at a fear and greed index. Let me go back to that. We're at a solid neutral in the middle, 50 on the fear and greed index, which typically this is a good time to start dollar cost averaging for sure. We got the Bitcoin halving coming here within the next year. We got the speculation of the spot Bitcoin ETF, which I do have a schedule here, guys. Let me show you guys this schedule, this very, very, very important schedule we need to be looking at here, folks. So here is all the deadlines for the Bitcoin ETF approvals, whether they were going to approve them or not from the SEC. As you can see, these are all the big guys here. You got ARK 21 Shares Bitcoin, you got iShare Bitcoin Trust, Bitwise, you got VanEck, we got Wisdom Tree, we got Invesco, we got Wise Origin, Valkyrie. I mean, this isn't even the full list, folks. This iShares, this is BlackRock. But these are the ones we've been paying attention. In fact, the BlackRock one, second deadline, that's going to be coming up here in October. So there's going to be a lot of possible what-ifs coming here in October, guys. So what I'm expecting us to do is probably sideways a little bit for the next month. But I think things are going to start picking back up maybe in September, especially in the in the beginning of October. People are going to be seeing these deadlines. They're like, oh my lordy, we might actually get that news that we've been waiting for, and we probably will see Bitcoin go up a little bit. I think Bitcoin, short term could still potentially go down to maybe like 28K, maybe even 25K before October. But I think this chart right here, guys, is going to keep Bitcoin's price pretty steady. Unless something crazy happens, I don't really see Bitcoin going down. There's really no reason for anyone to be selling. But at the same time, there's not really that much reason for the price to go up. Unless we see the stock market rally, which stock market hasn't been doing much lately. But would say if the stock market does start to go back up, I think Bitcoin will definitely follow, especially the anticipation of mid-October. We have huge big dates here mid-October. I think it's still going to probably be a nothing sandwich And then prices maybe will go back down towards the end of the year. But then we got the third deadline, guys. This is going to be at the beginning, towards the beginning of the year. This is where I'm going to be getting very excited for crypto and for Bitcoin. I think 2024 is going to be our year, guys. It's going to be the year. This is definitely the time to start dollar cost averaging. But that is going to be the year where we're going to start seeing things going back up. Hopefully. You know, I mean, I do have a crystal ball here. And the crystal ball is telling me that things are going to start going back up in 2024. But that doesn't mean the crystal ball is always right. So bear that in mind. Always do your due diligence. Do your own research. Cute glasses. Thank you. Appreciate it. What's up? Love seeing you guys all here. Appreciate it. Shout out to Capslade, Pinky Verrett, Mahathi, Tomke, Kyo Hart. Welcome. Let me see if we got the tip working. I have not been able to talk to the dev. I was gone last week. We did a special live stream event with Bing X on Friday, so we weren't. They were already doing their own giveaways there, which they did already announce the winners. So there was 5 winners from that last live stream, and they did receive your prizes. So if you were one of those winners, you might want to log into your Bing X account and check. You might have $50 sitting in there for you to use for futures trading. So yeah, give that a try, guys. Check ICX. What's going on with ICX? I'm happy that you don't forget the ball magic. Love it. Welcome all. Welcome. Yeah, congratulations to the winners, guys. Bing X, they got $50, 5 winners. So, but yeah, Pepe, dude, Pinky Verrett, I was telling you guys to buy Pepe. I know Pinky Verrett's up on Pepe now. He's probably up like almost 50%. Let's take a look at what we got going on here with Pepe. You guys know I am holding Pepe for the long term, the long haul, 2024, 2025. When we see Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs, this thing will go to the freaking moon. I'm talking 10 to 100 mother effing X, dude. 100 F's. Let me drink some coffee. Just remember, guys, I'm a degen buffoon. Just a crazy guy on the internet. So if you're gonna be trying to take financial advice from me, I'd probably tell you you are a silly man and you're an idiot. But hey, I'm here. And hopefully, you know, when I first bought Pepe, guys, I bought it down here, guys. I bought it down here. I sold it. I literally sold it up here, not all the way to top, but I did start taking profits here. I start buying back in right here, guys. I start buying back in, went up. I did not take profits. I bought more right here. So my average is actually around this range right now. So I'm like broken even at this point. I mean, I still made profits from the beginning, back in May. But right now, my average is probably about right here. So I'm going to be holding on to this, waiting this for a while. Definitely not going to be taking any profits until I start seeing new all-time highs, which I think is going to be coming here in the future. I'm talking about maybe 1 to 2 years max. When Bitcoin, especially if Bitcoin hits new all-time high, this will most definitely hit new all-time highs. Definitely. And from that new all-time highs, you're looking at, almost a 10x. Yeah, buddy. Actually, it's a 5x. We're actually a 5x from an all-time high, but it'll definitely 10x. TRX Dapp, what about it? I'm not too bullish on Tron, even though chart looks great long term. You got the SEC that's very hawkish right now, especially on Tron and Justin Sun. I mean, we could see Justin Sun end up in jail or they might go after him for supposedly for all of his manipulation. Apparently, is what they're claiming. He was doing a bunch of wash trading. A lot of the volume on Tron is fake. He holds the majority of the supply, and he just buys and sells his Tron and just pumps the prices. That's why the chart's been looking so good, because he actually controls and manipulates the market, is what they're trying to say. Check Badger Dapp. Badger Dow. It's up 10% today. This thing's starting to shoot up to the moon. Take a look at that. It was at $2.09 a few days ago. Chart overall, I mean, it's way down. Pump and dump. Pump-beat-it-up, a pump-it-up, dump. CAGIX. AGIX going to the moon probably soon, especially if Bitcoin hits new all-time highs. So will this mother effa. Remember, guys, I bought this at 4 cents. I bought it at the bottom. Literally bought it at the motherfucking bottom. And this thing shot up. It went up to over almost 60 cents, guys. It actually went to 69 cents. I watched it hit 69 cents for like a matter of a few hours. And I was just like blown away. I actually took profits. I started taking profits right here, guys. To be honest, I took a little bit of profits at 20 cents. And I sold rest of my bag at 40. I'm like, I'm 10x. I'm out. And it went up to 69 cents. And yes, I started buying back in. I bought back in at 25 cents. And I'm sitting at 22 cents now. I am down a little bit. But I do plan on de-staying into Singularity Net in the future. Especially, we see Bitcoin going up, hitting new all-time highs. This thing's going to go to this range up here, folks. $1 to $2 range. I know they had an ICO. This is the only thing I don't like about it is the ICO thing. But they did not do the ICO in the United States. They had no United States participants. It was all based out of Hong Kong, China. This is based out of Hong Kong, this project. So, that being said, could the SEC go after them? Yes, maybe. If they actually had any United States companies or investors buying the ICO, which I don't think there is. I don't think there is. Hopefully there wasn't. I think they were pretty. They weren't really focused on selling this token to raise a bunch of money, because if they did, they could have made so much more money. They only sold like 1 million tokens, and they sold out within, I think it was in 30 seconds they sold out. That was it. And then we saw the dump. People started getting out, because I think they bought in at like 25 cents or $1. So a lot of people got in super early. They took profits. They got out. And then, of course, we saw this for a while. Nobody knew about it. Nobody cared. And now people are starting to care now because of the whole AI trend. What up, Mayor Aku? Hello, boss. Welcome to Time Chatter. One AMA. I don't know. We had one going to be set up on Twitter Spaces, and they haven't gone back to us yet. So now we're just waiting. Waiting. What up, Tokyo Orianaka? Any news for XRP? Let's take a look at XRP. Let's actually take a look. 63 cents. It's not going to probably do much until Bitcoin starts going back up, to be honest. And we still banking on. The good news is yeah, the SEC is looking to make an appeal in regards to certain things on the lawsuit, but it actually does not have to do with Ripple. It has to do with what's his name, the founder of the CEO of Ripple. God, Brad Garlinghouse. God, why can't I remember? Yeah, Brad Garlinghouse. Duh, couldn't remember. But fucking buffoon over here, Degen Buffoon. Can't remember people's names. Yeah, Brad Garlinghouse. That's apparently what, and some other dude, Brad Garlinghouse. They're ones that were involved, because they were ones that were actually selling Ripple like two investors, like two VCs on the sidelines, like in private. Oh yeah, here guys, here I'll send you, some Ripple. You send me $1 million. That's what the SEC went after Ripple for. That's what they initially got sued for, and that's where they lost the lawsuit. What they won the lawsuit is that Ripple that's being sold now on the exchanges are not securities. So basically, it's really good for news for crypto because that means once crypto's out on the open market being traded on exchanges, they're not securities. It's only a security when they sell it privately. Like if they use it to raise money, they're doing private sales and stuff like that, or IPOs. That's what these crypto guys need, crypto bros need to realize. Like if you want to just have the SEC out of your fucking, out of their mirror, like, get at, to follow the rules is just don't have fucking ICOs, don't have IPOs, don't have private sales. Just do stealth launches and buy the tokens out of your own money. Don't give yourself any allocation. You should be fine. Then it's looked more as a commodity, and then keep it decentralized. You have to keep it decentralized too. So you got all those other factors that goes into play. Otherwise, you're going to have to file with the SEC, or they're going to try to shut you down or sue you. Are you live on Twitch? Right? Yes. Live on YouTube and Twitch. Boom. Yeah, buddy. We got 46 people watching on YouTube right now with 51 likes. Thank you, guys. Awesome. Appreciate the likes. Share this out. Do you still host giveaways on Twitter? Sometimes. I sometimes do. Just be sure to follow me on Twitter. Get ready to stay up to date. Sometimes I do giveaways for my spaces, which I do have one tonight. Monday, I'm always giving away $10 to one random winner. All you gotta do is engage with the tweet and be there at the spaces. I do them every Mondays at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Giveaway guaranteed $10 to one lucky winner. So yeah, join me. Oh my gosh, I can't freaking breathe. Let me show you guys my Twitter, okay? Follow me at DJ Lifer. I'll show you my announcement. Oh, there's so much crazy stuff going on. But yeah, here it is. Join the next episode of Crypto Cuties, 7 p.m. Yes, I am the host of Crypto Cuties. One Bitcoin ETF. We're going to be talking about that tonight. Talk about ordinals. Talk about NFTs, crypto, Web3, everything related to it. Today, it says 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, you know it. Join in on the fun, guys. I will send you guys here the link. You guys could... And yeah, you get a chance to win $10. Yeah, $10. Now, I do want to thank our sponsors. We do have some sponsors today in today's live stream. First, we got GRAP.com. Yes, that's GRAP with GRAP3.com. It's actually the very first Web4 infrastructure for a decentralized internet. Yes. What industry experts say about GRAP? GRAP has sparked a lot of interest in the potential for mass adoption of Web3 technology. GRAP's two proprietary technologies, Vine and Ann, will improve the adoption of Web3 and push it to the next level of Web4. Vine formulates the transaction tree without hitting linear limitations or bottlenecks. They're talking about 700,000 transactions per second. Yes, that is very, very, very fast. And then you got Ann is the AI interface that improves interactions with each of GRAP's services. So yeah, they got a ton of stuff coming here for the GRAP platform. They're gonna be allowed launch of any Web3 dApps. I mean, they're talking about bringing Web4 already into the space. And yes, you guys can get the GRP token. You get on the website, you actually have my link. You get 10% bonus if you buy GRP using that link. Not saying you should, but they do have that offer, okay? do it so at your own due diligence, do it at your own risk. But it's also listed on Bitmart, guys. You actually see it trade live on Bitmart. So it is on the open market, guys, which is great. So it's not like there's no pre-sale or anything like that. But you guys can get it here on the market, Bitmart. You saw it did pump. This thing was down when it first listed on Bitmart. It was at around $30. It went up to almost $200. We actually see it broke $200, and now it's trading at $157 as we speak here on Bitmart. So yeah, that is great, guys. Check them out. You could also find them on Twitter. Follow them on Twitter. Here is their Twitter account, Gold Check at Grape Inc. Got 17,000 followers and growing. Yeah, buddy. And you guys could use that link that is in the description. I actually got the link here for you right now. Hopefully this works. Yeah, there we go. Use the link. Bam, bam. See if that lets me pin. There you go. Please check out the website. Get us signed up. And let's freaking go, guys. Do your due diligence. Please be safe. Gamble responsibly. We're in crypto, guys. Cryptocurrencies mean gambling. Let's go. We'll do sign up, Dapp. Appreciate it. Tomorrow morning, yeah, or tonight, yes. 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We got our stream. Actually, it's a Twitter space. I'll be the host. Cute Crypto Cuties. Check it out. Yeah, be a responsible human. I will focus on the live first because it's nice for the sign up. Appreciate it. Okay. Well, there you goes. There you have it goes. There's Grape. Thank you, Grape, for being our partner and sponsoring this live stream. Check it out. We also sponsored by Phemex, Phemex.com. You guys could sign up right now. Use my referral link, folks. Use it. Use it. Let me send you guys the link. Be right here in the chatter box. The chippity chatter, chatterooski. There we go. I'll pin this. Pin it. Yeah, use that registration link to get yourself signed up on Phemex. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit about the platform. Now it's open to all trade for free XPT airdrops. Yes, they got their own Web3 that's coming out here, folks. They got their own Phemex token. They're going to be launching here. Utility token for the Phemex platform as an on-chain ERC20 token. The Phemex token will offer a diverse array of benefits and use cases, including staking, yieldings, trading rewards, and Phemex DAO governance. For PSP holders, the Phemex token can be pre-mined as an XPT prior to the TGE at highly lucrative rates. You can check here the roadmap. You guys can mint the Phemex Soul Pass. I actually minted mine. You guys can see here. Your Phemex Soul Pass number 2784 has been issued to your wallet on Ethereum. Check now. There it is. Bam. Got it in my wallet. So yes, having that, I can start minting, or I start mining their XPT tokens, which can then later be used for staking. You can also transfer them for, or convert them into their actual other token, their PT token. And what is PT? PT is the Phemex token, is on-chain transferable ERC20 platform utility token for the Phemex exchange. It can be staked for obtaining the VEPT, which grants decentralized governance power, staking rewards, trading rewards, fee discounts, and other benefits. Total supply is going to be 1 billion. What is the VEPT? Well, the VEPT is the Vote Escrow. PT is the on-chain non-transferable ERC20 governance token that grants users exclusive voting rights on the Phemex DAO. It is obtained by staking PT For a set period of time, VPT holders have exclusive voting rights in the Phemex DAO manage a platform treasury and can enjoy staking yields and trading rewards boosts in a form of PT. So yes, great opportunities here, folks, using the Phemex platform. Getting involved on their Soul Pass, get involved in their Web3 markets, guys. Check it out. And you guys do, use that link. Grow your income with Phemex Earn. Trade crypto anytime, anywhere. And you guys could also do your futures trade here as well. Yes, you guys know me doing my futures trading. Let's take a look. Bitcoin is going up. Oh, look at that beauty. I'm starting to get bullish again. I'm starting to get bullish again, especially when we seeing big green candles going like that. But I don't want to get too excited yet. Like I said, there's really no reason for it to go like that, unless for two things. Either SPY ETF gets approved, or the stock market just rallies. Everybody gets super excited and happy that the markets are, the global markets are doing well, and it's probably a good time to get in speculative assets like Bitcoin again. Those are probably the only two reasons why this price would go up, and right now those two things aren't happening, so we're kind of just waiting. But like I said, dollar cost averaging is your friend. You still trade. I'm not trading as much as I used to. I'm more hodling now. I am trading some stocks. I feel like the stock market is there's just way more volume in the stock market right now, unfortunately. Crypto has just been bleeding out in liquidity. Not saying you shouldn't be hodling your cryptos, though, because I think it will come back. It's got to. It has to. It has to. I think we will see a rally here, at least in 2024. Question is what will happen in 2025? I think it's going to come down to a lot of factors. How the United States decides to regulate crypto. If it continues to unregulate it like right now, if it continues to stay in this path, I don't see their reason for Bitcoin, unless the spot Bitcoin ETF gets approved. There's really no reason for it to go up a drastic amount, unfortunately. But we are anticipating and waiting, and we know Bitcoin is king. So hodl your favorites. Don't over diversify. Do diversify though. Don't just put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Maybe pick a coin from each sector. I'm not holding more than 5 cryptos. Really, my big 3 bags: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, AGIX. I got AI, I got a meme coin, and then I got my 2 top layer 1s. They're Bitcoin and Ethereum. Maybe some XRP. Maybe I'll grab a bag of that here, because that's definitely going to rally. Doge will definitely rally too. There is speculation of Doge being used on X, which, I think there's a future for Doge. I think Doge will be too big to fail. It's at 10 billion market cap now. But I don't expect huge returns on it. It could definitely still 10x. It could 10x again. It's gonna be hard for it to do that though. Bitcoin would have to go to new all-time highs, and Elon would just have to be pumping the shit out of Doge again for that to happen. I know a lot of people out there like Cardano and Solana, but I'm afraid these guys are not going to take off. They're going to be under a lot of scrutiny right now with the SEC and the regulations. All these guys, Cardano, Solana, Tron, Polygon. Polkadot has stayed out of the limelight. Maybe you might see a rally on Polkadot. Maybe. Be sure to use Phemex, guys. Use that link down in the description. Get set up on Phemex. Do your trading there. But you guys know the rules, guys, when it comes to the exchanges. Not your keys, not your crypto. I would like to thank Phemex for being our sponsor in today's live stream, being our partner. So what do I mean by that? Not your keys, not your crypto. That means use the exchange, guys, but use them as an exchange. Don't use them as a bank account. Don't hold a lot of funds on there. Use what you want to use and only put on what you could afford to lose. Especially when you're gambling with 100x leverage. Be safe out there, folks. Chart's looking good for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at these others. Like I said, on Phemex, there's plenty of options here. I know SHIB has been getting a lot of attention. We saw news coming out about SHIB. Not really sure what the news is. It just says, to become a Shiba Inu millionaire, if crypto returns at its all-time highs, what will it cost today? I'd probably say 100,000. 50 to 100,000. No thanks. I don't want to sign up. Okay, where are we at? Coming today, that amount can be purchased for 118,000 buckaroos to become a millionaire. So yeah, 10x. I was pretty close. I said 100,000, right? That was a guess. XRP to the hell. XRP to the hell. For now, will XRP hit a new all-time high? I think now is the time. Now will be the time that XRP could potentially hit new all-time highs. It'll never go more than $10, guys. It'll probably never go more than, you know, if you're listening to anyone right now and they're telling you XRP is going to $100, $1,000, $10,000, $50,000, just get out. Like, it's not going to happen, guys. It's not going to happen. The reason why is because of the supply, the total supply, the circulating supply. Circulating supply is a lot. The market cap's already at 33 billion. I mean, for XRP to go to those astronomical amounts of value, it would have to basically acquire the entire planet. Which I know some of these influencers are saying that's what's going to happen. It's not. It's not. Trust me. Trust me, it's not. But, is it a good long-term hold? Yeah, potentially it is. Potentially it is. HODL, that means buy and forget. Just don't lose your keys. You can forget about your crypto, but just don't forget about your keys. Keep your keys safe, locked up somewhere. That'd be a good thing to do. Lock your keys away, lock them up. Put like a 10-year time bomb on it, so that way 10 years later you'll have access to your keys again, and then you get access to your crypto, and voila, you're filthy rich. Just make sure you invest in the right ones. The ones that are going to last forever, like Bitcoin. Maybe XRP, maybe Doge. Maybe Litecoin. I'm starting to like Chainlink again. Even though it's not a very good performing crypto. It's been shitty ever since. This thing hasn't done anything for years. I remember there was one influencer like, oh yeah, I bought down here and sold up here. Wow, I made like a 50% profit. I'm like, dude, Pepe went up like 50,000%. Even if you got in late on Pepe, like a week and a half in, you still could have 10x. Like, AGIX. That was a 20x in a matter of a month and a half. You could have done. 50%. Ooh, like 50. What is this? Stocks? Wait, we trading stocks now? I'm talking large market cap stocks, small market cap stocks. You could 100, 200x on, or you could 100, 200% on those in a day easily in the stock market. That's the only thing I don't like about Chainlink. It's just not doing anything price action wise. It's dead. Not your keys, not your crypto. Yeah. Moral of the story. Easy peasy. That is true. Easy peasy. H-bar's up 20% for the week. Let's see what our top gainers are for the week. Thorchain. What the hell? Thorchain. Pepe coming in at number 2 spot. 32%. Told you guys. Told you. If you guys been following me, Pepe. Pepe's your friend. Toncoin, that's interesting. 20%. H-bar 20%. Shiba 17%. ApeCoin 16%. Still trash. Mina, trash. Conflux, trash. Render, trash. Solana, very trash. Trash. DYDX, maybe. 10% though, nah. Aptos, trash. Theta, trash. Uniswap, I don't know. I'd love to see Algorand go back to $1. That would make me very happy. Of course, that's not going to happen for another 1 to 2 years, if ever, because now it's a security, unregistered security. Neo, trash. Arbitrum, trash. This will probably 5x. It could 10x. It could 10x maybe. It's already got a really crazy market cap. Things would have to be very, very super bullish for crypto for that to happen though. I think Arbitrum's a higher risk. I'd be careful with that. Dude, they're all looking bad, man. Most crypto, dude. When they were saying when everybody was telling you guys, yeah, 90% of crypto is going to die. That we're watching that happening now, dude. 90% of these are going to fade. Fuck's rocket pool. Interesting. That's why you guys are going to have to really do your due diligence. I think meme coins are where it's at. And then your layer 1s that are already been established. There's a few layer 2s out there as long as they can, you know, as long as they didn't do any private sales. They could stay under the radar from the SEC. Some of those might do fine. Like some of the metaverse projects will probably do fine. Like I said, as long as they don't do their, as long as they follow the rules, guys. As long as they follow the rules. We actually got the list of all of the SEC. We can go to categories. They actually have categorized all the SEC, alleged SEC securities. BNB, Cardano, Solana, Tron, Polygon, BUSD, Cosmos, Filecoin, ICP, Near, Algorand, Axie Affinity, Sandbox, Decentraland, Flow, Chiliz, Luna Classic, BitTorrent, Dash, Nexo, Terra Luna Classic, USD, USTC, that is, AMP, BitTorrent, FTX, Power Ledger, OMG. God, see, you do not want to be on the same list as FTX, guys. I think that's a fact, right? We don't want to be on this list. So if you guys are seeing this list, you seeing any cryptos you're holding that's on this list, guys, you are taking big risk with your money right now. Because what these are basically, the SEC are saying these are illegal for people to purchase or to own or to sell in the United States. There's a lot of other shit coins. There's some pretty bad ones here. Ethereum Max, shit coins. This it's not limited to this list, guys. This list will probably grow over time. But those are the ones, guys. Those are the ones that are toxic red right now. The only ones on this list that I think would be your less risky, though, BNB, Cardano, maybe Solana, maybe Tron. I think Polygon Mac will probably do okay. Maybe Atom. Maybe Algorand. Maybe some of these metaverse projects. But they're not going to go to new all-time highs, guys. I don't think they're going to see new all-time highs out of these. Unless something crazy happens. Yeah, nothing happened with Binance. I do like to use Trust Wallet. I do use Trust Wallet. Just make sure you keep your keys safe. It's a self-custody, guys. Yep, that is the truth. Let's take for this Pulse Chain. Richard Hart, SEC going after the him, going after Hex. The Hexicans, I feel sorry for them. They got ripped off by the SEC there. But here's the thing, guys. They could pull. We could see another XRP happen. So I wouldn't say, you know, there are going to be opportunities here, folks. You got ways of looking at it here, especially if you get in the right time at the right price. You probably make a lot of money. Because now, you know, people are going to be watching and anticipating watching these now. All the degens. And degens, they ape in. They start aping in on some news. Something might happen. That could drive the price up. I really love Pepe, though. Can't wait for that thing to just go to the moon. Yeah, H-bar's been going up. It's up 28% this month. What's it at now? 6 cents. Not a bad idea. Not a bad one to get into. Do you still play at Bet Fury? I played there a few weeks ago and lost. Yeah, lost. Do own research, everybody. Absolutely. Ain't that the truth? Phemex, guys, use that link. Check it out. Get yourself signed up. Get in on the fun. DYDX. This one keeps popping up. For some reason. This chart not looking too bad for... I do kind of like DYDX. This one might have a future, guys. Keep an eye on this one. No financial advice. Oh yeah, check it out, guys. Epic Desk. Use my link, guys, in the description. Get yourself signed up. Use promo code DAPPCenter. And you will get 10% off discount. Thank you. Somebody actually bought one a few weeks ago. Thank you for the purchase. If you guys want to get your custom mouse pad, get you a nice looking mouse pad like one of these. They got all kinds of great designs you guys could get. Layouts. $49.99. Get them mailed to you. Make a great gift. Great holiday. You got the holidays coming up. Yeah, Epic Desk. Get yourself one of the best Epic Desk mouse pads for gamers. Yeah, buddy. Help support the channel. Use that link. Use promo code DAPPCenter. Get 10% off of your purchase. Let's do, what was it? Help. Hey, RocketBot Pro, start trip with tipping your friends. Simply type. Alright, let me see if I can tip you guys. Ticker. Amount user. Merge. 10 at That's weird. Did I do it wrong? Yeah, there it is. There we go. Now the tipping's working, guys. Tip 10 merge at thank you very much. Wait. Yeah, guys, I'm sending you guys tips. Yeah, look like the tips are back up. Yeah, guys, I am sending you guys cryptocurrency here on Twitch right now. Tip 10 merge at Suze. Thank you guys for joining. It works. So yeah, I can send you guys tips here on Twitch live stream in the chat. Well, guys, I do have a video I'm going to be making here. Cut out the music here. We're gonna make a video. I'm gonna be doing my sponsored video here on Fawn Chain. Be recording this, posting on my YouTube channel later on. So here we go, guys. A global distributed autonomous blockchain. Oh, shoot. Hold on. I said that all messed up. It's a global distributed autonomous public blockchain. Yeah. I got it now. A global distributed autonomous public blockchain. All right, guys. I am on fonchain.io, and I would like to thank Fon Smart Chain for being our partner in creating this video. Now, Fon Smart Chain is an innovative solution to bring programmability and interoperability to the Beacon chain. Fon Smart Chain relies on a system of 21 active validators with proof of stake authority consensus that can support short block time and lower fees. The most bonded validator candidates of staking will become validators and produce blocks. The double sign detection of their slashing logics guarantees security and stability. The Fon Smart Chain also supports EVM compatible smart contracts and protocols. Cross-chain transfers and other communications are possible due to the native support of interoperability. Binance DEX remains a liquid venue of the exchange of assets on both chains. This dual-chain architecture will be the ideal for users to take advantage of the vast trade on the side and build their decentralized apps on the other side. So yeah, guys, check it out. You guys be able to find all the links down in the description. So yeah, very interesting, awesome program network. Talk about the best decentralized Web3. Explore the Fon Chain ecosystem. So yeah, definitely a project you guys are going to want to put on your radars. Take a look at it. Get in on the network. We got 296 days, 4 hours. This is the master network planning. It's going to be coming up here in 296 days. So a lot of planning, a lot in development here that's going on here, folks. And then check it out here. You can find Fon Smart Chain is listed on CoinMarketCap. And you guys see, look at this. Price has been going up in value. You guys see it was trading at $2.60 and is now at $2.95, up $3 and up 3% for the day. We're up 10% for the week, 38% for the 1 month, guys. And then for the year, we're down. Of course, this is still relatively new, but it wasn't even a full year, but it's 13% from its all-time high. So at 339. So could see this probably going to be approaching up to those heights again. It is tradable. You guys could trade it now on BitGet. You guys see here on markets. It's tradable on BitGet. Let's take a look here. Thought I had this up, but it wasn't up. Fawn. There it is. And there it is, guys. You guys trade here for USDT. Trade here on BitGet on the exchange. Wow, look at that. It's gotten some momentum here. Looking pretty good. Wow. And let's take a look here at the market cap. Market cap right now is sitting at about $70 million, guys. Max supply is 24 million, folks. Yeah, it's got a total max supply. 100% is in circulation. So that's definitely good to see, guys. I'm kind of like that, to see that, the tokenomics. I would like to see it get listed on more exchanges. I'm sure that's going to be happening here in the future. Of course, guys, give them a follow on their social medias, folks. You could follow them on their Twitter account at Fon Smart Chain. They got over 37,000 followers and growing. That's a great way to stay up to date with all the latest news and info about the project. Everything that's going on. Yeah, Fon Chain is evolving into a service-oriented public chain under Web3. Of course, guys, join their Telegram group here as well. They got over 183,000 subscribers in their Telegram. Wow, look at that. Another great way to stay up to date with all the latest news and announcements, everything that's going on. And you're going to have direct communication, guys, with the developers and the community members of the project. So yeah, all very great stuff to see. Nope, I did not mean to download that, but we could look at it anyways. And then here is the white paper, guys. Check out the white paper. It's got 80 pages long. That's a pretty long white paper. It goes into great details and depths, everything that's going on with the ecosystem, everything about the project, what they got in development, the token economy, the team. It's all very great stuff here. You guys can find here all the information on the website. And like I said, I will have all the links in the description so you guys could check it out. Tons of pages here, a ton of information. Here's a little bit more about the token economy. Yeah, it says total of 26 million native Fawn tokens. The top 21 nodes will receive the node block rewards. The Fawn Smart Chain is used for the effective governance proposals to enrich the health development of the ecosystem. Creating a node requires a creator to pledge 9,999 Fawn to create a node. The maximum number of alliance nodes is 99, after which it cannot be created. The top 21 nodes are core nodes and can be directly initiated core proposals for governance. Nodes refresh their rankings every 3 hours. So very interesting ecosystem here indeed. They're going to have staking and governance going to be coming up, which is really good. Definitely seeing rewards. Great way to earn a passive income. I'm going to try to see if we can find some information. Here's the global team. They got a core team. Algernon, Bradley, Chapman, Wesley. So they got information about the team here and the developers. They got advisory team. Ecological Development and Foundation. Foundation overview. So they got a lot in development, guys. A lot going on here. Check it out. Find all the information. And of course, guys, disclaimer, do your guys' due diligence. Do your own research. No financial advice here whatsoever. Definitely getting involved in crypto do involve a lot of risk. So you do have to do your due diligence. Gamble responsibly, so I say. Yeah, getting into crypto is like gambling. So always do your due diligence. Well, guys, that pretty much wraps it up here with Fawn Chain. Check it out. Link is in the bio. Fawnchain.io. Explore the Fawn Chain ecosystem. All the information on the website. Let me know what you think down in the comments. What you think about this chain? What you think's the future is going to be looking for? And any other suggestions, or if you have any questions, I will try and answer them to the best of my ability. And of course, guys, if you're enjoying this video, smash that like button. Give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so that way you get notified every time that I go live and when I post new videos. Well, stick around, guys. I got more videos come and more projects to talk about. It is Nero here at Dapp Center saying so long and enjoy the rest of your day. Adios. All right, that wraps it up for that video. Like I said, I'm going to be editing that and posting it on my YouTube channel. So keep your eyes out peeled for that. And thank again for Fawn Chain for being our sponsor in creating this video. So now we're going to be talking about the stock markets, guys. Yeah, stock markets. Be making a video here, but look out for this. I'll be posting a video here about uranium stocks, nuclear stocks. I'll be posting that here on the live stream, but we are approaching. I am going to be cutting the live stream short today, folks. Got a lot going on. Yeah, we got a few sponsors today. Yeah, it was great. But I want to thank you guys all for joining here for today's live stream. And to join next week, we will be going live again on Monday the 21st. And then we'll go live again Monday the 28th. So yeah, every Monday, same time, 12 p.m. Eastern. And yes, those who are participating, we do have the giveaway bot. I am going to be giving away free crypto, free merged coins, maybe Pepe, maybe some Litecoin. So join in on the live streams. We are live here on YouTube and Twitch. And stick around, guys. I got videos, more videos to come. And have a great week, guys. Be blessed. Be safe. Have a great day. Also, join my community. You can join my community group here, Dapp Center. Links are in the description. Link in bio. I'll send you guys the link here in the live chat so you guys can join here real quick as we get off. Because I do make calls. I do post updates, news, all the great stuff. Find it here on my community channel. Yeah. Thank you, Sweezen. Love you guys. Appreciate it. Goodbye. Adios. See you guys in the next live.